guys, what's up? So today we are going to be swatching as well as doing a makeup tutorial using all of the new Johnny Concert products that I received in the mail. If you guys saw my latest video, you saw the lip swatches already on the back of my hand. They are gorgeous, but today we are going to be swatching everything else as well as trying everything out. So if you would like to see how I did this makeup look on my eyes today, as well as see all of the products inside this box, then just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so it is almost 8 o'clock at night. I am not going to go fix my hair, so hopefully you guys don't mind because I don't mind. You guys, I go way back with Johnny Concert. They were actually the second company ever to send me any kind of PR or like care package. So yeah, lots of history with Johnny Concert and their products are just amazing. They are 100% cruelty-free, 100% vegan, all natural, just all around a great clean company with amazing products. So first we have the Rituals Shape Up Serum. And you guys, today I have this on and I feel like my makeup just laid so much smoother than it normally does. My powder wasn't sticking to little patches of my skin everywhere. My makeup just went on flawlessly. This has vitamins, minerals, botanicals, herbs that are really going to balance, hydrate, and prime the skin. It's also going to help with scars, fine lines, age spots, redness. It's going to brighten the skin. You guys, this does so much and I can tell. I am already in love with this. Next, we have the Blendies 12-piece vegan eyeshadow brush set. And you guys, I used a lot of these brushes in today's look and they blended out the makeup like a dream. These are so soft and just so easy to work with. And for today's look, we used the Amplified 4 Shades palette. And this is in Bold Rush. So here is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Very sleek, very clean. Says Johnny Concert down here at the bottom, and opening it up, it looks a little something like this. I absolutely love using these shadows like kind of with a damp brush. It just intensifies that color. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to swatch these dry and then I'm going to swatch them on my hand wet so you guys can see the difference. So here are the dry swatches. As you can see, they are super pigmented. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dampen my finger and do that swatch again in each shade. So here we have the dry swatches over here and the wet swatches over here. And as you guys can see, it just intensifies that pigment so much more. And yeah, I am so in love with how you can use these shadows wet or dry. And then last but not least are the Modit Timeless Liquid Lipsticks. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch these again for those that didn't see the swatches already. These are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And I actually talked to Johnny Concert already about these. These are so pillowy, so soft on the lip. And they told me that they have spent forever perfecting this formula for you guys. So I absolutely love that. They took the time to really make sure that this formula was perfect. And it definitely shows. Okay, so we are going to start out with Ambrosia, which I do have in the center of my lips today. One swipe swatch. And there is what it looks like. And this liquid lipstick, you guys, it makes you feel like you have nothing on your lips. Next, we have Choco Loco. And last but not least, we have Nocturnelle, which I also have on my lips today. And this is really cool because as you can see, I've kind of sheared it out. You can make it super dark. And there is what that one looks like. One swipe swatch. All of these products, you guys, are just absolutely gorgeous. I am in love. All right, so I forgot to do a segue into this makeup tutorial, so here it is. We are using the Rituals Serum first, and you guys, I really liked the consistency of this product as well as how it made my skin look and how my makeup laid over top. It was very, very flawless. Okay, so I forgot to hit the record button. You'd think I would have it together by now, but I don't. Anyway, we're taking that purple and putting that on the outer portion of the eye here. And then we are going in with the blue. And I am just going to put that right towards the front of the eye. And blend that backwards into that purple. All right, now I'm just going to take some of the white in that palette and place that up in here, kind of blending it down into that purple to create a lighter shade of purple, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to wet this flat brush here. Whoops, I just got the camera wet. And we're going to dip that into the gold. And I'm just going to place that right into the center of my lid. Going back in with that silvery white, I'm just placing that towards the inner corner of my eye here. Then we're going to take that blue again, and I'm just going to finish off that lid area. All right, I'm just going to take a purple liner. This one is by Hard Candy, and it is in the shade Nonstop. Just going to line my eye, and then I'm going to put some of that purple down there on the outer portion of my lower lid. And then also some of that gold right in there. All right, and now I am just gonna do a little line of eyelash glue, and we're gonna apply some gems as our cut crease. And then for our lips, we've got the Johnny Concert Mod It Timeless Liquid Lipsticks. I might mix a couple of these together and apply them to my lips. I want to see what Nocturnal with a little bit of ambrosia in the center of my lips looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that combination real quick.
Cut my fingers on the edges and blend my heart until it dried.
Here is the final look. All of these products are just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I am in love. I just want to say a big thank you to Johnny Concert for sending me these products to try. You guys go check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.